Sige, tayo, tayo, tayo.
Oo, alam ko na. Oo.
Ipin ako.
Kailangan labas na natin yung mga katotohanan.
Halay po mo.
Nandito yung katotohanan mo.
Hi. You are?
Nagatago mo sa katotohanan.
Kent. Kent Dre. You are?
Dieter Ocampo.
Patrick instead. You?
Hello.
Oh, what's this beautiful lady? Can you talk to me? Where's your name? What's your name?
What's your name?
Yes. Where's your name?
Where's my name?
Yes.
I think inside your heart.
Oh, yeah. Okay, okay.
Uy, ginapan ko ni Hugo. Ginubugaw.
This is Maya Faye and Roger Tartara of Business Administration Sales Department.
Yay!
Farewell
Thank
to
you
you.
for supporting Wawabi.
Puro graduation project.
Diyan na. Bye.
This is the whole room or section of Sales Department. Look. The bags, cartoons, the telephones, the helmets, the computer, the people around it, the model. I know, the model.
And the...
We're leaving
Model.
on March 20.
Ayan.
Hi, Dayan! You know, Dayan, I miss you so much. Where have you been, Dayan?
Yes, sir.
Kaya po sa YouTube.
What kind of wind that brings you here?
Ano, sabihin tayo ni Hard Trab. Hi. What's your next project, Mr.
Yan ang
Ken?
palo mo
I
kung
have
kay Norian.
Shake
been
rattle,
music.
shake
Check
rattle
out
and
my
roll.
new
Album?
music video.
The shake rattle and roll.
Ah.
No.
How can we
He is the monster.
watch it premiere?
Coming soon.
Coming soon on
Yeah.
IMAX?
No, Jim.
Pasti Pilipinas?
No. Only on Mix, the #1 channel of the Philippines.
Yay! Who's that?
Huh? Pokemon.
Tama.